Comfort feels good, doesn't it? Your bed in the morning, the endless scroll on your phone, the food you didn't need but couldn't resist. But here's the truth no one tells you. Comfort is a trap. And if you don't learn how to escape it, it will quietly destroy your dreams. We live in an age where everything is designed to make life easier. Fast food instead of cooking, streaming instead of creating, scrolling instead of connecting. And it feels harmless. After all, what's wrong with being comfortable? But here's the hidden danger. The more you choose comfort, the more it rewires your brain to avoid challenge. And when challenge disappears, so does growth. Think about it. A muscle grows only when you push it beyond its limit. A mind sharpens only when it wrestles with difficulty. A soul deepens only when it's tested by hardship. Comfort takes all of that away. It promises peace, but it steals progress. The comfort trap is dangerous because it doesn't feel like an enemy. It feels like a friend. It whispers, "Rest a little longer. You deserve this. Do it tomorrow." Comfort takes all of that away. It promises peace, but it steals progress. The comfort trap is dangerous because it doesn't feel like an enemy. It feels like a friend. It whispers, "Rest a little longer. You deserve this. Do it tomorrow." Every time you feel resistance, whether it's waking up early, starting that business, hitting the gym, or having a hard conversation, that's your compass. Resistance points directly at the thing you need to do. The comfort trap teaches you to avoid resistance, but greatness begins when you lean into it. Let me give you an example. A seed buried in the soil faces total darkness, pressure, isolation. But without that resistance, it never grows roots. Without that struggle, it never breaks the surface. Without that pain, it never becomes a tree. You are the same. Every moment you choose discomfort, you plant the seeds of your future strength. Intensity never gets you there, because intensity burns out before the habit forms. But consistency, even at a small scale, builds grooves in your brain that eventually make the action effortless. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't need motivation for it anymore. It's just part of you. That's what consistency does. It makes success. What do all these stories teach us? That escaping comfort doesn't just build success, it builds character. So how do you escape the comfort trap? Catch yourself. Notice when you're choosing comfort. That extra scroll, that skipped workout, that delayed task. Awareness is the first. Oh, the opposite. When comfort calls, choose the harder path immediately, even in small ways. Take the stairs, speak up, finish the task before relaxing. Build the habit of hard. Every day, do one thing that makes you uncomfortable. Cold shower, public speaking, learning a skill you fear. Over time, discomfort becomes your new comfort zone. Reward the right thing. Don't just celebrate outcomes, celebrate effort. Praise yourself for showing up, not just for winning. That rewires your brain for grow. Here's the paradox. When you chase comfort, life gets harder. But when you chase discomfort, life gets easier. Think about it. Avoid the gym and your body becomes weak. Go to the gym and daily life feels lighter. Avoid hard conversations and relationships crumble. Face them and love grows stronger. Avoid risks and you stay stuck. Take them and new doors open. Comfort feels safe, but it robs you of safety in the long run. Oh, let me ask you, where in your life are you trapped in comfort right now? What's the one thing you keep avoiding? Because deep down, you already know. The truth is, every comfort you cling to has a cost, and every discomfort you embrace has a reward. You don't grow by doing what's easy. You grow by doing what's necessary. Closing. Call to action. The comfort trap is waiting for you every single day. In your bed, on your phone, in your habits. But so is your future, and the choice is yours. Stay comfortable and slowly fade into regret, or step into discomfort and build the life you were meant to live. Pause. Deep tone. Choose wisely.